Hi, video creators. Welcome to our channel. Have you ever annoyed with the moving text in the video? Today I would show you two ways to remove the moving text. One is Capcut, which is free but a little complicated. The other one is HitPaw Watermark Remover, which is easy and efficient. Do not miss these video editing skills. Let's dive in. Once you launch the HitPaw Watermark Remover, you can click to import the video you want to remove the text. It would automatically open the file, thus you could find your video and open it. It would appear a yellow box in the center of the screen. You can move the box to the place of the text. You need to highlight the watermark with the box and adjust it to an appropriate size. Then click this mark, which is for moving watermark. The image will automatically jump to the last frame, and here you also need to highlight the watermark with the box again. At the right corner, here you can select the remove mode, and I recommend the AI mode since it applies to lots of situations. Click the play mark, you can preview the result. Look, it's great. Then exit the preview page. Let's export it. Please be patient, it would take a little time. Now let's see the comparison. And the second one is Capcut. First you need to import the material. Choose the video and open it. Move your mouse to the video and click the mark of plus, it would add to the timeline. Hit the play button and we can observe the track of the watermark. It's from left to right. If you want to remove text the fast, actually the text area doesn't affect the main content. Thus we can resize the video directly. Let's have a look. Well, let's go back to the tutorial. Move your mouse over the video in the timeline. Hold the Alt key on your keyboard. Then left click on the original video and drag it, aligning it with the first video track. Now we have two videos. And this is the important step. Click the first line at the top. Go to the right side and click on the mask tab. Select the rectangle mask. A rectangle will appear in the middle of the image. You can resize it by dragging the edges with your mouse. Move the rectangle to cover the text and adjust it to an appropriate size. When you're done, drag the rectangle vertically, lowering it from its original position without covering the watermark. Next, go back to the right side and click on the Basic tab. Make sure you're still on the first line. Then, drag the image slightly upward and align it as best as you can. Repeat these steps until you're satisfied with the result. Finally, go to the Mask tab and set the feather to 4 or 5. Adjust the size if needed. The most important thing is to add the keyframe to position. Also, make sure it's at the front of the video. Then, play the video to the last frame and adjust the size of the rectangle to cover the text. You'll notice that on the right side, the position will automatically add keyframe. Now let's see the result. Even it's a little complicated, but it's not bad. At last you can export it. Let's see the comparison. If you are confused with the tutorial of Capcut, I sincerely recommend the HitPaw Watermark Remover. It's much easier, isn't it? If you find this video useful, please do not forget to subscribe our channel. It means a lot to me. See you soon.